All right, guys, welcome to the final part of trying to diagnose the twin turbo sequential system. Well, first off, check out the shirt. I know we're gonna get to the video, but look at this. This is awesome. Like when I saw this on Blip Shift, I was like, I want it, I missed it, and I put myself on the wait list, and then it popped up again and I had to buy it. This makes me laugh so much. All right, so I am super excited and very proud of myself because it is fixed. I know it's crazy. It is fixed, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I did to fix it. But if you follow along, you'll know that we checked hoses, we changed out some solenoids, and let me tell you, when I went out for the first test after I replaced the silicone hoses and the solenoids, I still didn't have second boost. And let me tell you, my heart sank. I was very upset. On top of that, I had a major oil leak because the fitting wasn't tight enough. It was a very bad day. But the next day, I decided I'm gonna check every single vacuum hose and make sure that it is in the right place, it looks good, and that nothing got misrouted. And guess what? Before I bought the car, somebody messed up. Somebody disconnected the vacuum hose that goes to the secondary turbo, and essentially it wasn't gonna work with that. And the crazy thing is that they accidentally rerouted it somewhere else. So it looked like it was connected to something, and if you didn't really check everything, all I saw was an empty port. And I saw it and I was like, that looks like a port where a vacuum hose should go on it. And I was like, well, where the front door is the vacuum hose that goes to it? And then I realized there's a hose that should go there, but somebody connected it back up top to the upper manifold. But somebody took the lower intake manifold hose and connected it to the upper intake manifold, which is weird, and left that nipple empty. And let me tell you, it was all the way back in the engine. Like you couldn't see it unless you actually were taking stuff apart. And after I connected that, secondary boost. So all I could say is if you bought your car used, if you bought your car from somebody else, most likely they've worked on it. And whenever you're working on the RX-7, you've got to disconnect all that rat's nest usually. You got to disconnect hoses. And sometimes if you're not paying attention, it's easy to forget where they go or leave one out. And luckily for me, I took the time to look at everything and I found it. So the good thing is that the car now has new solenoids, which is good. It's got new silicone hoses, and I checked to make sure that they're routed correctly. So at the end of the day, I'm pumped up because we found some really bad hoses to the charge relief valve. We saw some cracking, we saw some hardest plastic piping, and let me tell you, we got a lot of stuff refreshed with the car, and I actually feel really good about it because there's nothing better than knowing that your car has been refreshed and parts have been replaced. And now that it's fixed, it runs so good. Well guys, I've got a lot of videos coming up for the RX-7 because I did some stuff that was hard, and I've got an idea how to make videos without actually doing it. I know how to make videos to show you guys how to do it without actually going step by step. It's gonna be great. It's like this crazy idea. You guys just gotta stay tuned and you'll see it. All right guys, thanks for watching. You take care, and we'll talk to you soon.